So, what the heck are you doing here, Lanny? Well, for a long time, I've been saying we were gonna have more robot content on the channel, and that day is today. So I kept seeing this ad online, it kept popping up. Offer you free Arduino Uno R3. And I was like, sweet, I like free. As well as pay the shipping kind of deals. So then you pay your shipping, and it's about $10, and you get the nice little board. But then you also get a chance for a mystery prize. And I like mystery prizes because I'm a sucker. And I was really hoping to get the 3D printer, but I was also hoping to get that. And then I was also hoping to get that because that would have been cool too. But I ended up getting this one, which is also pretty cool because it's valued at about $11. This is all American prices too, so that's like a lot of money in Canada bucks. So I got that today. They're trying to promote their brand. They're obviously in China. They're in Shenzhen. I suck at saying Chinese names. Szechuan. You know, the famous place where all the electronics are coming from nowadays. I ended up getting this with it. So it's like, oh, this is in Canadian prices here. So it's like $16.02. So, and it came with a little breadboard and a bunch of capacitors and some lights and stuff to play with. So we can at least try a couple of the small little projects. And so it's like high quality retail box, and they are really nice. Like, they even sound nice. Oh. But yeah, it's got some resistors, some lights, and some RGBs, so red, green, blues, and some buzzers. And yeah, so first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to download the software suite, of course. And normally I wouldn't show you how to download software, but it puzzled me too, because you think you'd want to click on this because it tricks you with the Windows 10, but then it tries to download a bunch of app crap that you don't need. So just click the Windows installer up there, and then you'll get the actual, and then just install and hit OK. You know how to install things. And then you're gonna have to go to their page, and you click the tutorials, and for my kit it was this one I found was the best place to go. And then it takes you to Google Drive, right? Find the code, the first tutorial. The code is pretty in there. And then download it. Yeah, I already downloaded it, but we'll download it again. There we go. Well. So that gives you the code that you need. And then the next thing you're gonna have to do is get a fancy cable. Alright. And you're gonna have to plug that into your computer. Your USB slot. Alright. And then the board will start blinking. That tells you it's doing stuff. And gotta verify and compile. And it'll verify it where my head is. Alright, so you can see it's compiled. So we'll go back to upload. And then see, it has red. Oh no, it didn't detect it. Oh yeah, that did work. Okay. And then in theory, that should now have a program. So Arduino is kind of nice. It's got some built-in features, like if you go to edit, you can increase the font size a bit so you guys can read this a bit better. Alright. So basically what we're going to do is make a light blink, hopefully. So this will turn on an LED for 1 second, then off and on, basically. So this is going to do it on pin 13. So what we'll have to do is find an LED out of our kit, and we'll hook it up to that and then to the ground pin. And yeah, this just shows you setup routine runs once when you push reset. So it'll only blink like once or twice, I guess. But it'll loop infinitely, I think. So.
Yeah, you can see it's like, there's your pin structure. And we'll worry more about that stuff later. But then you also got like your, well, that part's really shiny. You got your like 5 ground and all that good stuff over here, and your grounds. So we'll have to bring it one to over to there, basically. Oh yeah, there is a ground right there. Probably for this exact purpose. So the ground is, so an LED has got, an LED has got 2 leads, and the longer lead is the positive, if I believe right. I forget. Oh, I think we did it. You borrow my very dirty keyboard. Ta-da! Da, 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 da. Boom.
So now big whoop, we got a blinking light. What the heck does that mean? Well, now we can play with the code a little bit. So let's see. I forget. So let's play with it. So I think that means it'll wait for a second to delay it. So let's change that to a 500. Oops. And then we'll change this one to a 500 delay as well. Poof, poof, poof. And then we'll save that. And then we'll verify and compile. Done compiling. Upload. And now it's blinking slightly faster. Okay, let's really rev that bad boy up. Let's go 100. So 10 times faster than original. Here, let's just try clicking upload. We'll see if it verifies it first. Oh yeah, there we go. It's almost you can kind of see it blinking now. Here, let's get that almost like a steady light for you guys. We'll go 20 milliseconds or whatever. Oops. And then we'll hit the good old upload. Boom! And now it's basically steady light, as you can see. And then we'll put this at like 3,000 now. So 3 seconds. Oh, it's giving me a right headache. Upload. Boom. 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 There we go. I hear a thud, but I don't hear a love. So very cool. That is our first Arduinoing. It's very fancy, nice, good actually. So I ended up getting what is called solderless breadboard. That's what they call it. And they are handy dandy.
You know what? I gotta say, even their like wires are way better than the last ones I got. I've gotten one of these kits before in the past, and the wires, they just broke and they disintegrated. But these ones are feeling pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, I should have cut my nails. So basically what we're gonna do is instead we're gonna use these. They're called jumper cables. And we're gonna jumper cable these pins over there basically. So I think that's pin 13. I really suck at seeing things. Let's see, that's that one. That's ground. Alright, we'll put grounded. So, and then on so on these boards, they're basically, they got a plus and a minus. And then they got like rails. So that then they're configured like in a grid. So this is plus or minus. So all we have to do is hook up our ground and a positive to there. And then it'll charge it and ground it. So we'll hook up our ground to our ground, I guess. And then we're going to hook up our pin 13 to our positive. Alright. And then we don't even have to see this bad boy really anymore. We'll put him a little bit to the side. We'll grab our blue LED. We'll put him just in there like that. So remember what way you put your pin. Oh, that didn't go so well. Yeah, it does have to go this way. Alright, there. Okay. So now we'll grab a couple more jumpers. Just grab some shorter ones. We'll hook him into the... stick it in this. We'll put the red one. Wow, okay, let's do that the other way. Okay. And now I don't remember which was which. Oh, apparently that is the right way. Ta-da! Now we can manipulate our code. Boop. 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 Even faster. Boopy boop. Sound effects not included yet. Oh yeah. That's some fast LED action. That's the most basic of the two. And that's where we're going to leave it for now. But if you like this, like, subscribe, tell me to do it more. And we'll work on the next tutorial sometime this week, hopefully. We still got lots of other cool stuff coming up too. So yeah, robots away. So yeah, make sure to check out Kuongshun. I don't know. I'm just gonna book drip. So make sure to check them out to try to get your free kit thing for like $10 basically is what it'll cost you. And then you'll get a mystery prize.
Yeah, but they got like other cool stuff too. Like they got this makey thing, and it lets you make fruit or other objects into basically a game controller. So it looks pretty groovy actually. So, you know, you use that as the interrupter switches. Like this UFO, a robot car. Oh, a robot car would be sweet. But yeah, they got lots of reviews even. And they're actually really responsive, so if you email them, they'll email you pretty quickly. Generally, not on the weekends, but they also got lots of really nice sensor kits too, so be on the lookout for them. Let's see. Yeah, this 37-in-1 kit. Really nice looking stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to check them out as well. Check me out. Kuongshun, light the future. I think I nailed it.